Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Got a fail. These potato chips aren't working for bird food, and I'm going to dump them on the ground. Some will eat them, but the birds don't seem to like my crushed up potato chips. I need to get some good food for them anyway. I miss my little birds flying around here, but it was worth a try. I had crackers in there too, but they didn't seem to like none of it. Sorry about the wind noise. It is a windy day here in North Carolina, so we'll dump this out and get some regular food and start over again. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.